Kabrijo kandi okurgar shaha ibiri kuzar shaha ina ntaba twina abagenyi batari bamwe na bamwe kurwa umushonda zitari zimwe na zimwe ezihangari tore ya Uganda abantu abantu babe n'obujuruzi abantu abarangana baba bakorera byo kutangaza mbwenu n'enshonga bwenshi ntubareta ntabasimira urahanga okureba ngo mu radios na TV zone ano mucuzinga Revival TV na Revival Radio okwenda ngo mukatunga program weje kandi abantu benje munonga abagurisi abakekuru abasheje abakuru eminyeto abana bato babarwa bastegereze kutunga obujuruzi oburukurwo mu bantu batari bamwe na bamwe abarahangara ko babareire ebyo kutangaza amagara gabo kandi inshonga abo enche ntubareta ngo kabasa kubano batunga nda Anthony mujungu bwaje kandi ninja kuba ninjenda mpora okurgarisha ibirezi mpaka arashaha ina okureba ngo abasa kubano utunga obujuruzi bw'abantu abiturko batayi serizoba nkuko kuchimanya ngo results kashora eza senior 4 eza primary 7 amwe eza senior 6 stegerize ombwire buke munonga kandi zituru kutekateka ngo butwaragara mu kwa kashatu probably this coming week ntubasa kuzireba zuru kwija ahabwa ekibinde cya mukaga konko bwa hati results eza shrede neze ekibinde cya mushanjo amwe na senior ya kanabeje bakakoraje munongo kurwo mu nshonda zitari zimwe na zimwe ezehangarite ya Uganda kandi abeja bakuba bakozere ntubantu wenda ngutubareta bari kuba bakozere iki tubataya ise batuganire bo bakibasize bata n'ibintu cye bareta bakoraje okurabira mu mashomero gatari gamwe na gamwe kandi zitekateka ngo obuntu bwo bwire bwenyine obushime kubantu retera mu abana nkaba abari kuba bakozere kurugera kuruga mu mashomero gabo gatari gamwe na gamwe twatayisa omweji okurwa mu shomero area Mbarara High School Mbarara High School na rumwe mu mashomero agagumize mugarukoraje agebembere kandi agarukoraje munonga omusheke cya burungiro izoba nangwa no mu ihangariyo ne area Uganda ashaba Julius oguno mwejo wabase kuba nashtamire bigezo bibi asine ya kane birukumanya nkebe ya Uganda Certificate of Education abo mwako gw'2024 kandi omwejo gwakakoraje munonga abo kuba nanindeba akakora 4As yagaraka yakora 5Bs mbwenu nchibanchoreka ngo akakoraje bintebe abo kuba areba performance ejekere nonje munonga tuzakubantu ganira nawe kandi sima munongo mureberezo kuteretera abantu nkaba abana abantu babe n'obujuruzi ahabo kubana baba barigire hari kandi tuba twine kubatahisa n'uganira nabo munkirize mwakire aturamuseho kandi atwiguriro n'eshara rero standice program eji tuzaganira nawe kandi tuja ntwakira na chaplain we chaplain w'ishomero ya Mbarara High School Reverend Hambo Nelson betwero munda tuja kubantu mwakira nawe omushayitu ya kabiri tuganireho nawe kandi amasomo tuja gakira comments ya YouTube tuja kubantu zitunga noja kubana uzitunga aha YouTube channel yitu ya Revival Radio orukuratira program eji kandi nabo haricyendanisha twatonyeza Revival Radio torohoje munonga noja kubana utungo mwami Julius twakwakira mu studio za Revival TV mukamasimu ramutse abantu aba rero otwigurire n'eshara standice
abishemwe nimbasima ubujyango mwahaye buyimanyi mwaterere izuba nimbara munsi yabo mu izina rya Hangatapitwe umwana n'umwe kwera kandi nanishaba mutwecyureze cyane ntabwo mwana Hangatata umwana ntabwo kwera kusima tubibaza wirizo mukama izoberwa leta ngo tube umuriwe mukama ube niyo watukoze sa kandi ube niyo watambura mukama shabo sasa rero tukozire kugiye twakora kuyo mu izoberi mukama ube niyo washumuka twoze ibyo shaka twazaganira burungi bwawe mukama bani washumuka bani washuma twatwegesa kandi ukatambuza uje imizitu zigambe ebirumu kandi mukama ebikurugamo kandi bikuyamba abandi oshume ube nitwe kandi ohebwe kitinisa Yesu Kristo mukama wito
amina mukama simwe mnonga kandi twakushemerwa Julius abantu abakurira Revival TV aha Revival Radio abariyumba kureba TV na radio nibenda kumanya Julius Nuha akazarwa mwaka ki yazarwa bazire ki kandi yazarwa nkaye
Ashaba Julius n'amazina ganje ukazarwa 2003 byo kwa kashatu 2007
okay
nambwe no 2003 nimsiye myaka 18
wazarwa bazire ki
nzarwa umusheija bamwita amanya Joel na no mucyara bamwita Katushabe Rosette Joel no musheija w'umuhima atura nazarwa buri mezi
okay
mawe nazarwa Bushenyi niho bashangire bakanzara
okay mwazarwa abana bangahe
tuzarwa abana batanu
the same dad and mom okay
my dad has someone for me and I am followed by two
okay so wazarwa
niko
dad na mami kubambagambe bakagira ngo batandike ikibina cyawe cyo kubanza we n'imyaka ingahe kandi nkaye
ikatandika ikibina cyo kubanza nyine imyaka 3
gumwe bereshate
katandika kushoma nyine imyaka 3
yes
atandikira mu baby class nashoma baby top middle baby middle top I think it was 2013 or 11 there. That's when I joined P1.
Okay.
Ashoma P1 yanje
Omushomerori
Barieta Happy Hours primary school nkani shomera Kampala. Niho nakurire nambwe kazarwa Bushenyi. My mom got pregnant and went to Bushenyi. Akuba naho bakumuzara yanzara roko. So nakuyaheze kunzara twagaruka Kampala nakurira Kampala nanto nashomire atandikira P1 nashomera Happy Hours kunashyira P5 we relocated from the place that we were living in tukantutura Kawempe twargaye twazana Kawa atukutwagiye na Kawa twabampindira ishomero as I was going for P6 bampindira ishomero nazo mu ishomero yindi Barieta Ebeneza naherize P6 na P7
wakorayo echamshanga
akora echamshanga
Ebeneza nariyo Kampala okay wakurota
kabankozire aggregates mushanju so kuna herize my dad was happy for me yanjye ati ninza kutwara umishomera aho nashomire ati ninza kutwara Mbarara school kabanta kujimanya ukabanta kajihuraga kakura uko nkanta kumanya Mbarara school niki kakura in that place where they don't even speak Runyankore uko tine naho kumanya Runyankore nkebyo nkakura ndi umuntu hatyo takumarahanga niki nkakura ndi umuntu bino washobora renta konka nkakura ndi umuntu wese umuntu wa indoors umuntu uri kutura umunju tinshohora tindamutse abantu tinkore mwene ntura ndi umuntu wo kushitama umunju kashitama TV karenga nizo zabe ziri imbere zanje so kuna herize ecyamushanju ze yangira atereka kutwara Mbarara high school
iwa mashome yagwabe no tekateka wo bwirobo ni tekateka kwa buri primary ara mashome yagabe gari uruto byawo gakabagargahi Mbarara high school kana expecting
aho nabe nishomera bakabine secondary and they had said that they were going to give a bursary to that one who has made 4 to 7 so nagira ati nyowe natungire bursary naheze nze yagira ati nyonye ndakutwara Mbarara high school actually akangira ati mbe niyo natahonka first choice nkanyonka ntakukimanya so yangira ati nitwara Mbarara high school kare actually kutwagire kushoppinga na mawe kutwagire kushoppinga emyenda kwankani mangu ndio nimfutamwe mpare ningwa kunashikire kutwashira mu shopping twagura ubuso kusobugufu obwempare ningwa ubugenera mpare ningwa atukutwahereze twaza Facebook twacekinga twaza kushanga twashanga abojo bajwire mpare ngufu kandi nazagaruka mumfara ingufu y'imbere naruga mu P7 mbwenu kuko naganije Mbarara High School senior 1 mu mwaka 2020
wajishangota Mbarara High School abo kuba nintegateka akaba ari ishomero hangu mmesho gawe abana benji kandi ukashanga yabakozi n'abakozi n'abakozi mu kaga cyo kumanyisa ngo competition ekaberoho mbwenu Mbarara High School wachangwa
nashikire Mbarara High School thinka kugira nti I could cope up with the society at first because nkabani in central and I knew no one from this side. Nkabashomire kuri ya Nyenga kunishikiraha kunishikire Mbarara High School nkabandi Honyenga from my old school, so embera coping up kabanza kwarema narondo kunda shicyo mbandi. But that evening prep I found some fellow of mine and he was like, how are you? Turamkansa and he welcomed me to the school, though he was also in senior 1. Okawaka katwire hari kumanya embera y'ishomero abakuru be bakabashomero muri Mbarara High School, so akana manya embera y'ishomero nahikamo mu ishomero kanta kumera ibintu bya scripture union.
Okay.
Kanta kumanya
koko joining senior 1 no tekwa ko bana respecting ibintu binji excitement eri nyinje munonga ashabati cyumwe nakandi cyiriyo ntongera ganira nawe ahabo kuba ranga base kubana mukorera byo kutangaza umwana ubwo n'umuto kongana ngambira ngo akata ko expecting kugira ngo nabaza kuzambara High School ekanga yagireyo ari natugambira uko yagishangiri bo kuba ishomero y'abana benji umunamba and competition very high. Yes.
So kunashikire Mbarara High School embera yabanza yangumira coping up.
Yes.
It was very hard to cope up with the students who I have never seen, but I got a friend who coped up with me, helped me out. Yanyamba na turumbantu naegembera za Mbarara High School and I was there with them. They helped me out. At first I didn't know scripture union and chapel. They used to say that chapel is compulsory, so we reported on Saturday. The next Sunday they told us to go to chapel, and na church nkanta kujimanya kanta ari umuntu wo kushaba umuko witu tukati
Jemia kaliona mushango
nkanta kumanya actually kutwara ndaza kwija
ayishomero shero abintu shomero akatarho church yona
ebyo. It was for formality ngoko wakugira ngo mbashaba nanye nicyo nabeni mangu umukushaba dedication neroho and whatsoever. So when I joined the school, Mbarara High School, I didn't expect to find services like that.
Yes.
It was so massive for me. So when I reached there, actually na Bible nkata kuma kugishoma actually Bible nkagereba nukuza yo Mbarara High School when I read Bible
for your first time. Okay. So
nakuru mumbere tyo na joining senior 1. Na joining senior 1 on Sunday. On Sunday I joined the chapel service. Nazayo chapel, but the previous night there was fellowship. And obviously they said all senior 1s have to go for fellowship. I went for fellowship. To me it was boring. Na hikayo bya ntabicenga jete nabyetegereza babo kweshongora tinkubyetegereza. So na actually nkabyama no kubyama preacher ko yagireho nabyama umburizi ko yagireho nyo nabo kubyama fellowship yahuye naza kubyama. The next day I went for service na hikayo bahitabo kujunwa bwenu baka wa preaching tinkumwijuka wakakuyahagambire nare yankwataho atoriyo ko to kushaba to kugira oti nagira ntumukama tebe kambe ntakumangundi yo mu mberambi nagira nterekaze kujunwa kunkankazayo because I saw other guys, many form 1s had gone there.
Waenda nguba
nanye namba kuratende nazo mchabojo na hikayo na emerera na batahi banje batshabira umugisha tukatwine chapel in Reverend Reverend Canon Asaf Kabacenga hati naye yabari chaplain witu yatushabira. That was the first Sunday. So we coped up. The first week ended. The second week on Saturday, they said there is watching in main hall, and I was like, okay, if there is watching, then I have to go there and inekuzayo nkacekinga main hall ekikuba kiriyo niki unashikiriyo nashanga birye byensi beshongore byensi filime zibakutaho nezensi na kare nakwaturwa kumbweno na ubujike nkani ndgo fellowship kunashikiriyo embera yaya nagira ntinkagaruka mu fellowship hati senior one yona yahwa like yo mugiye byensi kandi nabwe tukatuteganisibwa covid ubwire bwa covid-19. So natwataha kutwagarikire twagaruka tujye mu senior 2 senior ya kabiri that first term nagarukayo main hall. So twaba tujya main hall konka one day, the day that I will never forget. I was in the main hall and my fellow student, he was in form 6. Yija yanteganisa akambuza tunokora cyo
senior
6 aza kabatari soba yanteganisa najya ntatu main hall kayaza kundema. That day he even slapped me akantera kuyaheze kuntera najya ntinkagaruka main hall nazo mu fellowship. The next Saturday I went for fellowship and
kanzo
kurondo usinje huburi kunashikira mu fellowship nashanga hari yo usinje bunayenta karebaga mu fellowship kunashikira mu fellowship babo ku bawerukamingaje nahikayo jo mbatahi banje banda msyaba, and I found life there very easy. So after that first Saturday, the next Saturday I was like, I'm going to join choir. So I joined their choir, and on the next weekend there was a conference conferences kuba zijyo mu mashomero. So conference that was second term now. That conference it was on 26th July when I hireyoje kajantereri izoba najuno 26th July 2022 najunwa naye hayo najantereka niheyo Yesu abo mu wezi w'amagara kanje. Kuna hereze kwe hayo hato when natangiye kureba embera yes niki aho kuba the previous years I had been seeing life very easy. Konka kuna hereze kujunwa narebe embera yatandika kugumamu fizi yatandika kubura ureba atoreba rahange byabe nakora ubu atakubireba hatu buryo no birebaje hatu kunashyira mu form 3. Form 3 was easy, was somehow easy. In third term tukuza kora promotional exams. My mom was like, I called my mom nkangire kushaba some money, kalingire kushaba some money for pocket money. So and my mom was like, Julius, tokumanye biriyo muka. She shocked me. Ati tokumanye biriyo muka tashaba hoki ati
hasomo
tukaturi yasomo. I was in the sick bay natere sumu mawe namushabe sente ati Julius tokumanye kiriyo muka ati shimwe ishome tumukureba amahurire anti ntashobo tukuba turiyo mu byo kushoma then amahurire ntontoreba gaje. So that side out of Ventura we had a house out of Kampala. Mzee aho yabayombekere mzee itakombekaga mu cyaro. So tukatombekere Kampala mu town. So aho yabayombekera kayine henju na rentals out of Ventura. So the policeman came and said, this is our land. Bajangu eryitakane yitu. It was not only if affecting only us. Konka chika affecting the whole village. The whole so kubizire bagira ngo this is our land. Ati bazo meetings and they resolved that it is the land of it belongs to the police. Polisi yashenya amakagiti gona yahashenya hona
abantu bari umwanya
n'abaye bari umwanya wo bona babashenya ijoro zona bazihaho. And that time I was in Form 3. I had called to ask for money actually. Atukuna yahereze mawe yagira ati bakatubinga kubi ati n'ibintu byona bakabyotse mwe bakatubinga kubi munonga. Ahura nashasha gutwa tuyo tukora ka promotion and the next week we are going to do promotional exams. Akore
ibintu byona
ati byatu byanza mutwe Ejo prep tindashomira kazo mukirasi nabi nkarra nabyama akuba nkati nkanta ku mechi nkuzakora nkabaza naye buza ntati fizi yamba high school negaruka kurgahi
abo kubentase yitwa amaju
ntasi ya
bago bagata hansi
tube tujya
cyo kumenza ngo abazire hati tubene ntase yona
aza tata no musirikare he's an army man niho yagirira obsente akagira ati akombeka. So kuyahereze kombeka, such things happened, and that was his own land. Kare niho yabatira nakaye yona. His trust was there. Niho yabena amanya ngo hana hantu hanje. Hatkuya cyabire kityo naye buza ntati mwiza garakaye. Barai school kanindeba nyesi nimbasa kweze ya kashatu. Okay, yakana yaza kurgankai. Yaza kurgankai. Konka nzo muchachi. Kazo muchachi najyantu konka mukama. Ni wandetsera hamba high school. Ni okumenchi wandetire. Ngija hasinia wanu ni wandetse. Ate naza hike yakashatu wakundigamu mpikiremu yakashatu nukuza kuheze yakana wakundigamu. And I went, the term ended. I was promoted Form 4
candidate class.
Kazom Form 4 candidate class. I reached there when we finished that term. Nazom holiday. Holiday jo mawakangira ati kunu yote yijeyo akuba hatara homoka. Bakanu bapangisa hati bakabo kupangisa. Na hata up to now it is still the same thing. Bawo kupangisa. The room is very small. Ebintu mwe bakabiguza kweza fizi yanjye ya saditamu. Ebintu byaye biri umunje bimwe babiguza. Ataho narembera yabambi. Mawe yangira ati kuno yatokijeyo. Taro space tina horaze. Wene bato bawe babiro bakurata mukuru wawe taro nakora. Toine bato bawe babiro bakukurata.
Bariyo munjeje
single room with my parents. So banyangu uko kuziri okubasa kwija kumwe kare you can't fit here. So they sent me to my uncle Natura Kashari Nombe. Nombe.
Okay.
Aho niho nahumurire for my third term holiday. Nahumura naguma mu kushaba nashaba. Mzee akaba, he was disturbed a lot. He got too much stress.
I know.
Aza stress yayebuza atati naza koranta abana banje mbaza kushomera nkahi. When he was stress, but he had applied for, remember he was an army man. He had applied for going to Somalia. So as December was ending, akanja ati mwana wanje ntomushara. Akukuba hata kana mangu mukajunu. Yanje ati mwana wanje ntomushara. Naza kuza kushaba naka permission yo kuzanka hi
Somalia.
Akuba kana mangu no hakubasa kuruga sente.
Akuba kuba bari yoko nabamba kora kasente
kiri. Ati yanje ati haza mwana wanje nshabiri naza kuza Somalia. Mzee kwiyagire yo kushaba naka anja toshabiri namjera ashara nashaba. As December was ending, yampa mahurire marungi ati I'm going to Somalia. So as January we have inetandika January 2024 yaza Somalia. Kuyagire Somalia sente byabandize kufunafunaho nagaruka mbarra high school mukama yatwera
urukuzo umusiniya yakana yes
nagaruka mbarra high school ubu tutugira muka tubutaro muka tubo mukaju kamwe nabwo mukatindiyo mawa kanje atotakija ndebe mbere egumere tata yanje atiweza kushobo ati nyowe ati ninkujwara empare zitagukira
chinda kore chona kinda kwati
nintai
leo mekinga shuwa ngo washoma
kandi washomera mbarra high school yanje ati naza mbarra high school senior 4 first term nabo websibo nabo kushaba nabo nashaba nakwatsibwa batahi banje abo nabenye no mufomfo bankwaza twashaba hamwe konka ebintu bikambi nteganise ibintu bya fizi bya serivika ine kunteganisa na teganisibwa fizi munonga pasitamu yaho konka bakumbanja yo ka fizi mukamuze yaye kwata yakashasho second term twatandika second term twashoma twakora moka nabwo akasente kakakariya ko kwatera zikucererwa umwezi takwije twaba bukwata ni sente kununa kuriya tata yabo ukuguzaguza ubuntu bwawe uburyo bwawe buruhwaho babo kubuguzaguza bwo nabwahwaho mweneje yo nayahwaho je tata yanjye atukonke ibyo nanimbikora baze kushoma
bwawe
hanga yabo muhwezi we
atecyo runje nozire sente yinkuziya
ate sente nogireba hekurga atoze yoshome
ateho mutuma
nashoma second term twakora moka moka was not easy, it was very hard actually. Twaheza moka second term yaho uko bubona turiyo mufuteganisa bwa sente zubura bwashisha bwira twaheza moka twataha and in a second term holiday ekinacho kikagaruka cyambaho. So in second term holiday I was at nkandi wa uncle wanje nabo
Nombe.
Aho nona nkahezo mwaka gona atakarebaga bazire banje anaza Nombe second term ku yahwire naza Nombe nashitamo wa uncle hati it was like 1 week before going back for third term and my dad was like can't ganira WhatsApp yanje ati mtabano shabiri yo niza mu very dangerous place haza butosha tuturantuza yo tukuzayo na helicopter konka hati helicopter zagira mu buzubu ati shabiri turiyo tukugendera mu Amad vehicle ati kare tunaza kushabira tata. I remember it was a Friday uyangambera ekiro. Then in the morning ekiro cyo twaganira, then in the morning on Saturday nari message zitakwije akasheshe namsindikira message narabatagarukamo anashobera kandi tata yabata kandi remember he had told me the previous night that pray for me. At the next day I called my mom and I was like namtera mama yanje namjanti kanitindikira tata message habaho ki
kata correspond
mawagaruka gantera mahore mabi agira ati hati nawe tine cyo komanye cyabaho antashinamanya ki ati sho atabamutera bomu ati yari mu Amad vehicle babariyo mu Amad vehicle barimo abantu bana bakabarimo abantu bana. So in that Amad vehicle it stepped on a landmine. Ya crashing imotoka yena yawo bataninga kabanza gandgamo mazika na ragent hatu mukama esimu kagisharaho yama kana akakiriyo nagamba nagisharaho nagita hariya najya tukonka mukama tatu mbara high school tukashite nanka sente zabuzire batubingira umuju na tata nawe ati yaza nkani mangu yafanyo nkani mangu ya rugiro kubangambira nkani mangu tata yafa ati kunabe ndyaho ndiyo nindira mama yagaruka yatera ati kandi wabaki yahurira ndiyo nindira atwumura twumura ashaki n'amagara ati mu motoka iyo barumu abantu bana atwonka abandi bashatu bona baferaho on spot bona baferaho nkibuza tata wa yahonata
ariya banane jobomo ho
nijuka kuyangiza ati nshabira tinkusimara hanga ngo bariya bakakurashinga bafera mu accident kandi nabwe tinkusimara hanga ngo niwe wenko warigire but nyebuza rahanga nyebuza ntati nyowe nkanye muzeye wanje abwaki niwe yabaki niwe yabasa kurugo mu gihe cyo accident akuba yes he got many injuries yaza hansi amaguru gonaga gachwanyaguruka akaba he got serious injuries because all his fellows bona bakafera bamurashinga mu irwariro amutwaro mu irwariro and the next week I was going for senior for that term term eri kubera ya finishing UCE and whatever so nahereze nashabana cyane konka mukama tatebi nimba kwatsa akubati nyine cyo gukora hati
nuko muntu kwebasisa
tine n'iki kubasa hati akubankarira ekiciro cyona nkarira naye buza nkonka mukama hati nyo nkore ki senior 4 third term yaza kundema asa nkabangira ikibi cyo kutikiriza nkabashaba konko kwikiriza kuba kuki kukakuba kuki ati nshaba konka n'ubundi yo nishaba sente nza kurigahi konka that night kuna yeze kushaba nahabyama akasheshe ka Sunday ngamba na muzeyi that was my first time to talk to him akabuzireho then kunagarikire gamba nawe yangira ati ndaba niza kubaje ati niza kubaje yes nafuna injuries serious wakaniza kubaje and remember the year was now ending sente tuzirohomuka ubwo yaterwa bomu tujya utwena
icyo kumanyisa no gukora natachikora kirya
natachikora ngo yasinduka nkasente nothing
eze yakobe nazinduka ko nuya already hatari nazukozesa ko ejanjaba
konkana bwe government nene
of course government nene praying cyangwa mnongo mukomujanjaba ngane ngo umuntu
kubereza wezwata hatangira ati konko bumbe niza kuza utubentu za kuza na nkeji on dangerous place ejo akuba tarangambira iki nari yaho tinkwishukaje yangira akangira ati utubentu ryo zo mu that place I had sent your mom 1 million kamusindikiriho akasente kake akutere hwayishomero kugira ngo ozeyo ogiro kuwabasa yakana. So I went there for third term. Like kayo third term ubwo bibone ibyamuze ibyamutwe byona ndikushoberwa kunda shome
tekateko no babiri bingi
tekateko biba byingi ndahebitabo tumukama teje tamu ningi kukwasa nkabanzana ko mu cathedral ajanta mukame je tamu ningi kukwasa naza kushoma uko be niyo wampwera ebyanje tubyangu himbwenu nyuka ni mano kushoma nakomaho tata yangira ati roko shome yakwata yantera yakasente na ubwishike nabato banje nabo bakibayo bariyo nabo mbenda kushoma. So that money, that 1 million that he sent, ya share injira. The good thing I had good teachers at school. Banchiriza kurabaho imbera nawe nabo bakano bagireba. Because my dad called them and he was like, I've gotten this problem and this banch about change. And they accepted me to enter the school for that term. Fees nkazimarayo ndikuza kuheza the last paper. That's when my fees was done.
last paper
ya naka ya UNEB.
So
tamuku yagenze mu misho naguma ndi kushaba nasiba that form for my fellows twabo kushaba twashabira bizambitu twabishabira byona twabikwatsara hanga kubitwe tukatine mani ngo kubikora nkitwe twashaba kandi twashoma twatahamani twashoma no baraye bariho kutubingabinga to wirobo twayenduza gukora UNEB bajya ngo hati wota amazire yo fees koleki watahe narebamo tukonka mukama ngwino naho kwetombwitera mukama najya hati nyo nakoranda mukama ni wanditse rangi kushoma kaheza atobwengero kwikiriza kwiju muri nte byanje n'ubimanye mukama abo kushaba nashaba fast naka kutwagire kuza kore bizamu ticya wanje yamberaho yanje rati class ticya wanje yanyamba no turabe takahereze fees yakwata nafuna ID yo kuza koza exam. So I did my first paper math. Twazamu twakora paper zone twas his on the last paper ina kozire. That's when they paid the fees. Ukanywe ebyo bintu byona kabanyebuza embabazi rahangezi yanjirire ndebe embabazi banyingi nyunkanye nk'umuntu I don't deserve it. So ndeba rahanga arukunkorera munonga mbawo mushabi
ateze sente zikija muzeyi wawe no yagaricha akazinduka
my uncle
ayo wabe no kumurra yahereze kumanya ecyabiro nawe yakoresha rukubasa
yanyambaho yakoresha
kandi njyagateka zikaziri sente
nyingi munonga yankwasa he's a retired judge akari yo muramuzi konka ya retiringa so nawe nawe akashomera mbara high school hata kana cenge mbere yabereho yamanye byabirara muzeyi yagira ati hatereka kwaso hezi yakana muzeyi because my dad was down tino kuyabe na safutu yambomuka and he was the only source yito abentureba nangwa akagira entezeye ko mu cyaro akagira yentezeye zona nyingi akaziguza akujyama kananda mu mushome nyingi yaziguza zona zawaho nareba rango ko ariyo nakora yakwasa anko wanje yatera fees zimwe yaziheza nashoma kunahereze yakana kazo mu cyaci nasimba amajunara acyata mukama
utekenanye nakikora cyaho
nacyo cyaho mukama niwe kandi niwe ubutosha bona kurwo musiniya wani yanje kurga kare niwe mukama nasime mbabazi that day it was a Friday kunahereze kurwo umcyaci it was a Friday we always have fellowship at school Friday fellowship and it is usually for confession and testimony so and it was our last week as senior fours. So now they gave me an opportunity to give a testimony in the fellowship. Ubujurizi bwanje nasima mukama kandi nare mukama nayongera kunkwasa. So kunahereze nazo twahereze twazo muvaka.
Wagaruka nombe.
Ati bajyanguye tahe because now my dad bakamuya Somalia. Bamwihayo bamureta muka. Remember the house is also so small. Mwene mbera zibazi zo kurwana nazo reba mwese yona mbera ka box
ko yaryata umagara akana shasha munonga amaguru gona gataro konka government I think government ikatuberaho yamahanaka treatment ekwetesibwa hata amaguru bakagasharaho narugaro
amaguru bakamutwara mu theater ubucwanyaguru kabona abugaraho bagashemeza babunga mwene bamuterezana no mugongo ubona gukagutaru bamutereza hata mumpora
nabasa kwegendesa
hati nabasa kwegendesa konka kubanza karya akagari wena yabaho kuba muza siyeta atakuruga mu siyeta ubujike tutugira sente ezo kumutwaro nawe yes they had paid for his treatment konka ukumutwaro mu irwariro ukumbesaho
kumutwara kumwihayo na nebindi bire bashemeye kuba nakozesa nk'ibikuriya nebindi
imbere eguma konka nzo muvaka ngira nti konka mukama niwe kandi niwe twire nanye nkajunwa namanyiwe kandi niyo wenko unkureberaho ibyanjye byone so vaka nayo nagizamu nafana karumo kaba ninkora duka y'amashanyarazi obviously bakaba batakanyikiza nabwe gumumuka kantakaguma umuka harukubi
Kampala wakatunga Kampala
karumo nakatunga Kampala nashitama akarumako nashitama nakora first month nahezo kwezo ko kubanza nahereze kwezo ko kubanza tukatiyo tuzo mu January abajyango hari ikiterane nkahe and the previous year 2023 I had come for the convention kakizamu nashemerwa kuba kandi wanko wanje yangira ati rokozo mu kiterane azayo hatukunahereze ejo mwaka gwaho so 2025 this year ajya tinkabura garkayo ebinarebereyo hanga kankorera bingi kandi nyine garkayo so ezizibampire that first month nazikozesa ni jambara naga company jambara ko mukakata kashaba sente I know what was at home mukanta kubasa kushaba sente najya tekanze umukitera nyoni mara hange byakoreye ekampiceyo nze kushaba akuba aho nawe ninkora we are working Monday to Sunday every day. There is no day that you are given to go and worship. No, you have to be at work every time. Nekora bulizo. So na nijo nashaba leave for 1 week. Nija kuno yo mukiterane they gave the kiterane nacho cyahwa nahagarikayo natandika gukora kwezi kwanje kwa muheru kumve nimpeza kwezi kwanje kwa muheru results zibanzije time of results came pressure yatemba
ekubura
buri umwe hataba yo pressure tumebe hanikire bona tureba mu ibintu konka twishikara hango twashabire twajya ngo twashabire rahangaro kandi naza no mwesuko twashaba abuna benyine twashabaho nabasumu amasumu twashabira amasumu twajya ngo ibizame biriyo mbikushohora ekabe biriyo mu ngaro za mukama ndego mu ngaro za mukama kuba tukashoma kandi we yatushomise ati niwe twine kwesiga twamutamo wese yebwitu wona so kubahereze kugira ngo uzashohora nakwate simu yanjye nasindika message ngo kubaza byayanga tashaba hoki natsinda ko bwa kabiri byayanga tata ibyanjye byakoma nkantu tukire sati yone inkwasira mbiri wena nyamizi esati mbwenu nyonka shoberwa no kushoberwa erizoba hatiko nahereze nagambira mutahi wanje nashomera hatagire muntu yera akushomera hambyante bani wacekingira ko bibyanjye byarema akuba wakaya yacekingira kubagize ngo byashohora wakacekinga yazifuneze ati yanjye ati nizanjye nazifuna ntantu no bihaniwe ntabandi tukazitafuneze tukazitakwije azinyoreka eze koko zireja kayinemo ibiri akayine ibiri zindi ziri B ati ngira ati nyo nakora anta mukama mukamujya anti ntananye cekingira mugambira index number yanjye ancekingira wancekingira akabanza yazana munanye yanjye ati Julius Ogwire ate kinyowe tinka kireba ati Julius Ogwire Preshe keri aza kana azana nanye ayangira ati Julius ogwire ate kitinka kireba go magara ganje ntatu mwana we ati niwe tanyita ati nyine pressure ati wanyongera hecho
nyongere ndijo
ati yabanza yanga kunyoreka ibi nakozire namujya ati mushawe tonsindikire ibintu mukabireba atogwire nabikorekana ukaba namujya ati kare nsindikira nakwishengereza atwiyaheze yansindika nareba ibintu byanjye actually ngahanga nsasire nyoka mujuma no kumujuma kwiyansindikiye ibintu nkareba ibintu nkashemererwa kajya tukunka mukamanini wari otezi ninyi
barashanga muza
ezina kaza nareba mukama atebine byanje ntone byanje ningano ibyo ndijo muntu ndebaho izina ndeba ry'iryanjye index number yanjye ndebaho bizi nazo ziba 5 result 1 tumukama niyo bikoze rero byona nkasimba hanze amaju nasima mukama najya mukama kuno kunda kwawe tahabwanje kunkano kunda kwawe nagambire muzeyi na mawe bashemererwa ajya ngo Julius watkoreki watuyawe ati tuwatshwaza tomugabasheki ntimukama ni wabikoze rero ntabwo kubanyowe nkanye nk'umuntu
tinkakwebasize
kandi nabwe ndeba mu kutwabintu rwana na fizi kutwabintu tugira
struggling
ndeba ngo mukama tuberireho
munonga
yes
Julius tucyumwina kandi turiyo ntongera ganira nawe ranga base kubana mukorera ibyo kutangaza amagaraje kandi umujogo arabire umbintu bitanguhi wawa urujuruzi bwe butwatandaka ishe na nyina bakaba batungereka bagizirama batungire n'abapangisa no marandroad kubarandroad hazo kabarandroad wa Kampala ikintu cyo kuzanisa bakashanga abantu bayombekireka yabo nunji kandi bene naganda amajumba gapangisa bakiba bari yaho bari kutunga sente yaberiye ntase yabo akagire byabaho amajuba kagashenya bakagaraka zero bagarako mu kupangisa kandi kuri yo kupangisa kuri ya okofunda family kushangiriyo mu single room ahamuzugo tibyanguhi kandi ubwo kuno yane baboyi n'abapangisa mu ntomba kuretera sente buri kwezi hato no garaka zura kibari yaho yatongera umugisha go kushora hero no kutunga ka sente akairire nko musirikare umbwire bice munonga akagwa umubutandeje ye batungire of course Somalia ntumanya munerwan subwa munonga ba Al-Shabaab bomo ekakuhakana magaraga abantu barukwingana bashata basakare bagenzi babi yabayine waka survivinga no ya surviving akatungo butabwa mana amagaraje amaguru n'ibindi inkoko mwana kuyana tugambira Julius kandi chamuretera yaza hansi yo kumara ubwere burengwa munonga yahendera rigire na Somalia agarukira umuka konkebirahanga akora umustruggling ko esente ranga kataho buriyo umwana yashoma kurga senior 3 mpaka senior ya kana yakore bigizo nk'abandi kandi yabikaje imbabazi konkana tigira tabu kushaba ibi byona no kushaba kandi no gone ikirize ahabo kuba no mweso bwanyuma yo kumwikiriza myaka ye ranga mukorere wonders kandi n'ibintu bingi bunonge byamukorere akoze reje munonga kuko yagambira nina biz ni kano kandi ubwahati yajoiningire haya agira umuhaya agarukira umushomero yambara high school naje kuba natugambira agishangirata na expecting achi umuhaya kandi no kongera kutera umuranga minyeto abariyo kwa heru byona naje kuba nabitugambira umbere bice munongo buturukuja kuba twine takakere Rwanda Hambo Nelson on program urgent romagara otargabo
Revival TV amagaro wijwire. Ni kwanjura bakugom byo kubazira aba Dennis DO Expert Tailors abakugom kubazira suti ezaburi muringo ezabashija nangwa neza bojo uyu no mukoro ningano zinduka ijaba kupangisa suti ziri hamutindo eza checked ninga plain ahakabei karunji mununga kandi niye wabanoenda kugura nibakora hoje mununga ahakabei karunji bine introduction suits African wear suits enkoba emparezo murembe eza gento na jean bino busatu burunji nabwa t-shirt burunji bwo rukujwara kashanko waruga America bine neckties nebindi birunji munonga mboni bashanje mu rurembo rwambarira ahal high street warga kizimbe cya Grand West Arcade ekikubo cyo kubanza ecyambarira bookshop room number ya 5 waza kwikaze bra crossing hihi na Besania sako ashatu nemwe 98 na Renault mushaje 83 anona mukaga ashatu nina moto yabo I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me okurgomba Filipe shura yakana umushororo 13 ababanira CCTV cameras abarukushango mu rembo rwambarira bagarika n'insurance ababanira ubwa hati bine card cameras ezikora ikirone yihangwe kandi zikureba uburingo bwa meters 20 nankaga alarm cameras smart hybrid 5 megapixels cameras PTZ cameras bine DVR na NVR eza 2 megapixels na 5 megapixels hard disks bine na za cameras zindi ziri kuzabikondo bya sora nebyo amashanyarazi kandi cyo mutano kamera zikuzabikondo zibazi gitureho wifi na internet bagigitasi mu yawe yo mu ngaro kandi ogwe rikosa memory card bine byo mebikubara senti hariyo wa bank sako nangwa no mu bukwate motoka yawe wete tracking devices nibaburiyo bashanja office zabe nkuru ezikushango mu rembo rwambarira wabanotaho mu gate ya bus park ninga hitaji rya Bersia umucombe ku cyaro kwa Gosenega na Amazon building opposite Stanbic Bank ninga shotere no tumushanju mukaga 98 na Renault mushanju 52 98 ejo nisaba banira urinde byawe nabawe hari ukintu cyo buguzi bwingi nko muzire kushomesa umwana w'umurumo ubwo abana nabijikuru bariryaho itendekero ni rimwe ryonka Rain Training Center Limited Marara.
The main program youth training aho neya hotel management and institutional catering konkesho tishuzibire kuoncheraho other programs like saloon and computer kano mgezi programs twine program y'emyaka 2 that is basically about hotel management and institutional catering. Then under hotel management we are also offering programs for the 3-month students abana bakwa batamaze senior 4 tubahereza opportunity nango mugisha go kwegebye mikono ombya hotel management and institutional catering na saloon
mwenu bashanje mu rembo rwambarira ahife bituro bya kukonjeru amahando gwatora cyamugorani naro terasi munoti mushanjwina 22 nkaga na 8 anana mukaga na Renault mushanju noti 2 kinana mukaga 33 Revival TV amagaro wijwire.
Yes, tabarakayo omburangu program n'urugendo rw'amagara turiyaha Nowishe mwe Julius ashaba turiyo twongera ganira nawe ranga mukorere byo kutangaza ngo twatwagambire kandi kusima munonga kureba ngo atandukane to kurgarishaha 2 mpaka ahita rukuje kubantigendera cyumwe program agent kubanza ngona nabo Revival Radio cyendanisha twatonye 2 amagaro mbujire no tungahona nabo aha online www.revivalradio.com kandi wana nabo program ejeri ya YouTube yitu Revival Radio baje kubana ugitunga taho comment yawe kurigera abagambo bya Julius n'ubujuruzi bwe umwana ino bujuruzi bwo kutangaza aranga muhire nahare family yabo erabirombi ntubugumire konka aranga bagirire mbabazi Julius akata ko expecting ngo nabasa oguma omishomero rungereri yarmu eriyambara high school kana bakata ko expecting yakana konke byo nabishireho abwimbabazi kandi neshe ranga yamugirire mbabazi yamugirire mbabazi okubefuzi ikintu cyangwi konkarange cyakacimutambusya kandi yamugirire mbabazi she yamuhonora aruho no bwa rukushasha atakagizira amagara marungi konka twino kwikiriza ngo ruhango uriho wamuhira albumu naje kumutambira kana baje natandika no kwirikanza imirimo ye turiyo twongeraganira nawe kandi tuje kuba twakira n'amasomo ko mesho twazaganira muna Reverend Hambo Nelson chaplain ahabwishemerere Julius twagara umpati yitweji eya muheru twenda ngo tugambere of course results is free kandi wakoraje munonga utwatu una wanoza kuja wanjiro timpu murikire ohumurikiro utakibasikire kita isente zirigire nkahi muzayika kirya hansi bibasikire beta
icyo sente kuto tugakire tukahumurika ndinamu ntati ntati nanyinchire abantu ba high school tino kunda abasi ndeba munti mukama ba high school yaza kundema erevu so twarembera yaguma konka yagira ati if I am